Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our tutorial of how to solve basic algebraic equations. So as we can see from the title of our video, the keyword to this type of problems is solve. So this word tells us that the problem itself contains some unknown number, let's say x. X again. This unknown number x, his value will soon be uncovered and written down as our final answer in the form of x equals to something to be known. Alright, let's begin our example. Here we have x over 5 plus 14 equals to 8. To solve any algebra problem involving the equal sign, whatever you do to the left hand side of this equal sign, you do the same to the right hand side. That's why it's called equals, right? It's totally fair. So, while following this rule, we aim to simplify the equation. Every step, it gets simpler and simpler until we arrive at the final answer. Here, let's say we take 14 away from the left hand side, minus 14 here. But we cannot do this to just one side. We must do it to both sides. So, minus 14 there too. Now, minus 14 and plus 14 gives you 0. So, they cancel out. And it's just x over 5 now. Over on the right hand side, 8 minus 14 can be easily calculated to give us just negative 6. Great! The whole equation looks much simpler now compared to the beginning of our problem. It's a hint that we are on the right track. Next, we want to get rid of this 5 below x so that it gives us just x. Like in the final answer, just x. We can do this with our rule in mind by multiplying 5 to both sides of the equal sign. Here, times 5 and times 5. The times 5 on the left hand side cancel out the over 5 here, leaving us with just x. And that's the left part of our final answer. So on the right, minus 6 times 5 gives minus 30. That's the right hand side. And there we have our answer, x equals to negative 30. We hope you have found our video walkthrough clear and have fully understood the method and underlying thought processes in achieving our final answer here. We will be posting more videos of math problem walkthroughs, guides, topical summaries, and even some casual and interesting stuff like jokes, riddles, cartoons, and discussion on some highly interesting topics of math. So do subscribe to our channel and like our video below. Also leave a comment below if you would like to ask about anything at all or would just like to give us some feedback. Thank you and see you soon.